Hello children, let us start 10th class maths polynomials. So before going to do with that polynomials topic, let us have a thought about today's problem. One good turn returns others. What do you mean by this, children? If you do good, definitely will get it back. Means what, children? Always your thought should provoke you to do good, either it is to yourself or it is to your friends, to your classmates, to your teachers, to your elders. You must do good. If somebody asks you to do something, first what you need to do, you should think about, is it, whether it is coming in my premises, in the sense, can I do it? Is it a good deed that I can do? Is it acceptable by the society? Acceptable by the people? Because sometimes people provoke you to do certain wrong things also. So it's your mind which needs to judge. Judge it properly. If it is good, don't hesitate to do. Don't go back from doing it, because definitely it will give you a good result. Maybe it may take some time, but if you do good, don't worry children, you will definitely get good back. But if you do bad to others, see children, if somebody hurts you, don't you feel bad? We feel very bad if anybody hurts us. Then how can we hurt others? Just think about it. When we are hurting others, just think about, if I am in that position, how do I feel? So this thought will keep you in a healthy atmosphere. Your surroundings will be healthy and you will have a peaceful society around you, and you can have a very healthy and happy life. Let us come back to our studies, children. This is about the polynomials, 3.2 exercise. First and second problems I have done. Now you have to do the third one, is draw the graphs. You need to do the graphs, and also you need to find the zeros, draw the graphs, find zeros and justify your answer. Means you have to say yes, what you did is correct by doing in some other process. What is it? Let us see. First problem. P of x is equal to x square minus x minus 12. Actually, I have already taught you about this one example, some children. Before going to do this, let us have a small checking, children. If we have a checking, you will understand what values you are supposed to take. So how will you go for checking? Checking here is x square minus x minus 12. How can you take, children? X square minus 4x plus 3x minus 12, splitting the middle term. X into x minus 4 plus 3 into x minus 4. That means x plus 3 into x minus 4. That means what you are getting? If x plus 3 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 3. And if x minus 4 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 4. So, what are you understanding with this, children? You are able to see that the value of x might be minus 3. It is minus 3 and also it is minus 4. So, what you do, children? You take the values in such way that the x values lies from 0 to minus 3 and 1 to 4. So how will you take it? The values x is equal to 0. Let us take it as x minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. I have taken 4 also because I am getting 4 here. Now actually, what is the problem, children? Just have an underline here, children, because this is only the value of x which you are taking. So while doing the sum, there is a chance of mixing this number. That is why draw an underline. Then go for x square. What is x square, children? Minus 3 square is 9. This is 4. This is 1, 0, 1, 4, 9, 60. Next, minus x. Minus x means minus of minus here 3, here 2, here 1. I hope you are understanding. Minus into minus 3 plus 3. Minus into minus 2 plus 2. Minus into minus 1 plus 1. 0. Again. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Because minus into plus minus. Minus into plus minus. Okay. Next. Minus 12. Means every value should have minus 12. Okay. All this should be minus 12. Now, you draw again another line. This checking, children, I am drawing, so you can copy it if you want up to this checking part. Okay. Now, actually in your graph, you have got that right side ruled paper, no? So in that ruled paper, you can write this checking first, and then you can take the values. That is more preferable for you to take the values of x. Okay, children. Now, let me draw a line. These lines we are drawing only to have a clear-cut understanding about what values we are supposed to take. So I can divide them like this. Minus 4 values, 3 values, 2 values, 1 and 0, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, children? Now what we need to have? We need y. What is this y, children? It is the sum of these 3. These lines are indicated that only. These lines will indicate that you have to take, you should not take this. If you take that, you will be having a wrong answer. So here 9 plus 3, 12, 12 minus 12, 0. Here 4 plus 2, 6, 6 minus 12, minus 6. Of course, here I have forgotten to draw the line. So here 1 plus 1, 2, 2 minus 12, minus 10. And here it is minus 12. And here it is minus 13 plus 1, again minus 12. And this is minus 14 plus 4 means minus 10. And 15 minus 9, that is minus 6. No? 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9 plus 15 minus 9. Minus 15 plus 9 actually it is. How much, children? 6. So that we will be having minus 6 here. So that is minus 6 you are getting. And then 16, this is minus 16 plus 16, 0. So this is y value, children. So you are getting y value in this way. Now, you know that to draw any graph, you require, so let me draw in this here, this, and this line. So this will clearly help you to know the values of all this. Okay, children. Now here you see, you need to have ordered pair. In the graph you have to draw means you need to have ordered pair. What is the first ordered pair, children? -3, 0. And the next ordered pair is -2. Only other side, up the top side, that is x value, and the bottom one is -6. Only these two we can concentrate. If you draw these lines, this benefit is there, children, so that you will not confuse which value you need to take. Okay, so while addition, this line will protect you from not to take that, and while writing the ordered pairs also, this line will protect you to say that I should take this and this, that's all. So -2, -6, and then -1, -10, and then 0, -12, and then 1, -12, then 4 2, -10, and then what I have got, 3, -6, and then 4, 0. So these are the ordered pairs that I have got when I was doing this sum, children. So first what you have to do, you take the given equation, and that equation go for checking in your right hand side. Single rule is there, no? In that, go for checking and identify. Checking you do it in a little bit, giving some gap, because you need this place for it. Then you will understand what are the values that you are supposed to take for x. Then you prepare a table like this. After writing the table, you can write the ordered pairs. Now you need to keep this ordered pairs in the graph. So I hope you have understood up to this, children. I keep only the ordered pairs, and this box I wanted to rub because I need space to show you the graph. So please copy up to here. Now let me draw the graph. How many values I want, children? I want up to minus values, and positive values I have got only 0, nothing else. Only 0 is neither positive nor negative, of course. So let me draw a graph like this. So in this graph, I need -1, -2, -3, -4, and here 1, 2, 3, 4. It proceeds like this. This is 0. Now on y-axis, 2 to 2 difference I will take. -1, sorry, -2, -4, -6, -8, -10, -12. Okay, here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, it goes on like this. So in the graph, what is the scale that you are taking? X-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, and on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. This is the graph that I have taken. So first 0, -3 is the point here, actually. -2, -6. So -2 is here. So -6 I'll be getting here. And -1, -10. So -1 approximately minus 10 I am getting here. Then 0 minus 12, this is 0 minus 12. 1 minus 12, so this is 1 minus 12. 2 minus 10, so 2 here. 2 minus 10, we will be getting it here. 2 minus 10. 3 minus 6, this is 3, and up to here we will be getting 3 minus 6, then 4 0. Now what you need to do? Just to join them. All these points, if you join, you are going to get a parabola. So the solution is minus 3 and 4. So what is the solution? X is equal to minus 3 or 4. This is your answer. So the entire graph I cannot do it in at one time. You should understand that, children. So you can just take your graph little bit, means your video little bit back and see how I have done, so that you will get a clear understanding. What I did, I have taken the equation. First I have done the checking. Why did I do checking? Because I need to know how many values of x I need. That is 0, either the minus side or positive side, up to what I should take. That will help you to get a perfect solution, children. After going for checking, you have to go for table. Table, first you have to take x values. According to your checking, you have to take x values. Whatever are negative and positive, up to that you have to take. After taking that, use the equation given and develop the table. After developing the table, draw the lines so that you will have the values which you need to add. Find out y value by adding the middle ones. Then write the ordered pairs for it. After writing ordered pairs, put them in your graph and draw the parabola. You will be getting a perfect solution, children. Already checking you have done. He is asking to justify. Since you have done the checking, it is justified. So that is what I am saying is, do the checking part by drawing that box. So write the equation, leave some gap. Below that you draw that, you go for checking. Afterwards, you keep the values in the box. I hope you have understood, children. Please copy this. Now, let me deal with the next bit. Now the second bit is P of x. P of x is equal to x square minus 6x plus 9. So when you go for checking, x square minus 6x plus 9, when you split the middle term, 3 3s are 9, so x square minus 3x plus 9, x into x minus 3 into x minus 3. So x minus 3 into x minus 3. So if x minus 3 is equal to 0, implies x is equal to 3. It is your checking, children. I hope you know about this splitting the middle term. You have to divide this in two factors. 9 you have to make it into two factors in such way that when you add you should get this, when you multiply you should get 9. So if I take minus 3 and minus 3, minus 3 plus minus 3 is minus 6, minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9. This is how a small brushing up of this, children, I have done. So I need to take x value as positive 3. I have understood now. Now let me take x values. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me do some graph. Anyway, graph I will be doing afterwards. Okay, now draw a line. After drawing this line, go for x square. If you want, you can even draw these lines also, children. Now itself. So that it will be very clear to you to do the sum without any difficulty. So now x square means what? Square of this 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9. This is x square. Next, minus 6x means what? If x is -3, minus 6x means -6 into -3. Minus into minus plus 6 3s are 18. I hope you have followed, children. So you have to multiply it with the 6 and then you have to take multiply the signs. Minus into minus plus 6 into 2, 12. Minus into minus plus 6 into 1, 6. Then this is 0, minus 6, minus 12, minus 18. Next what you have? 9. So you are going to take 9 everywhere. So you have to draw a line here. So a little bit extension, children. Now we need y. Add this 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 18, 36. Okay, 4 plus 9, this is 16, 16 plus 9, 25. Okay, 7 plus 9, that is 60. This is 9 and this is 10 minus 6, 4, and here 13 minus 12, 1, here 0. So these are the values of y. So these are y values, you know. Let us join this. I hope you are understanding how it has to be done. Do it in your graph perfectly, you will get. So now let us see ordered pairs x comma y. What are we are getting? -3 comma 36. -2 comma 25. -1 comma 16. 0 comma 9. And what else? 2 comma 1. And -3. 3 comma 0. So these are the ordered pairs you have got. Please note it down, children. Then I will do the graph afterwards. Now let me take the next step, that is graph. Let the ordered pairs be here only. Otherwise I write ordered pairs here so that it will be convenient for you. Minus 3 comma 36. Minus 3 comma 36. Minus 2 comma 25. Minus 1 comma 16. 0 comma 9. And 2 comma 1, 3 comma 0. I need space children, that is why I have written the ordered pairs here. Now graph. Y-axis and x-axis. Mostly we are having all positive signs only, so I will take more for positive side. So you can take graph like this, children. So here x-axis values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So it is okay. This is 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. It goes on like this. Now on y-axis, I need 36, 25. These are big values, my children. So think about which way we will do. We can take 10 values for each unit. So on a scale is, on x-axis, 1 centimeter is 1 unit, and y-axis 1 centimeter you take as 10 units, so that it will be convenient for you to do it. These are the values that you are going to get here. Okay, children. This is 10, then 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. It goes on like this. This is minus 10, minus 20, minus 30. So minus 3, minus 36. This is minus 3, children. 36 means between 40 and 30, 35. So little bit more than this. So somewhere here you will be getting 36. Minus 3 comma 36. Then minus 2, 25. So 25 is the middle value. This is minus 2 and 25. Somewhere here you will be getting minus 2, 25. Then minus 1, 16. 16, little bit more. Here you will be getting, children. Sorry, minus 2, 25. No, this is 35. This is 25 means minus 2, 25. Somewhere here you will be getting. Okay, this is 36, 25, and this is 16, and 0, 9. 0 and 9 somewhere you will be getting here 9, and 2 comma 1. 1 also will be here, and then 3 comma 0. This is the point. 3 comma 0. So solution, we round it off, children. Now we join that all these points. When you join all these points, it goes on like this, parabola. So according to the values, so here the solution is x is equal to 3. This is the answer. Solution in the sense is answer, no need to write answer, So x is equal to 3, you are going to get in this way. If you do it in graph, correctly you will be getting, children, because I am doing it on whiteboard. I tried my level best to explain. I hope the procedure is clear to you, children. The remaining 2 sums, 4 bits are there, remaining 2 we will do it in the next class. Copy this, children.